Crispy veggie pakoras with a big old dollop of mint and mayo raita. Oh yeah. Okay, let's get started with the raita. In a mixing bowl, add your chopped mint, cilantro, garlic, and chili powder. Then half a cup of your Hellmann's plant-based mayo, and top it off with the ground toasted cumin seeds, salt, and sugar. Mix until combined. Now, fold in the remaining mayo, yogurt, and lemon juice. Then sling it in the fridge to chill until you need it. Now for the pakoras. In a large mixing bowl, add the potato, sweet potato, red onion, cilantro, and a sprinkle of salt. Then get yourself a fresh bowl and add the dry ingredients. Half a cup of chickpea flour, your baking powder, salt, garam masala, ground turmeric, and chili. Finally, add in your Hellmann's garlic aioli and enough water to form a thick pancake-style batter. Alright, let's bring it all together. Add the remaining tablespoon of chickpea flour to your veggie mix and coat well. Then slowly add enough batter to coat all of the veggies and gently mix together. Okay, showtime. Gently form your pakoras with a fork or by hand and add to your hot oil. This should be around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then fry until they reach that golden brown crispy goodness. Lastly, hit them with a little salt and serve with your raita.